Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, this is the follow-up vlog for our Borama trip. You can see the link to in the description. You can see the link to the first part of this vlog. So we went to Borama, we did the road trip from Hargeisa to Borama, and we ended up at an amazing school where we were delivering shoes for our Shoes for Somaliland campaign. So you can check out that vlog where we spent time with the kids, we delivered the shoes. It was an amazing day. You see, we're going into one of the classrooms, we met all the kids, and my kids had a great day. So we've just been to an amazing school and we got to see the kids who were the underprivileged kids who actually get their education for free. In the morning what happens is the fee-paying kids come, and in the afternoon they run classes for all the kids who can't afford it. So it's amazing. So we got to meet them, obviously you saw that, play soccer with them, deliver all the shoes. Was it a good experience, guys? What would we say?
Yeah, it was very nice.
You'd recommend it?
Yeah, 100%.
100%. It was an awesome day, it was a fun day, it was a feel-good day, right? A feel-good day. Yeah. We loved it, it was great.
I told you, bro.
Wow, somebody drinking slushy.
Bro.
There's a traffic jam with a donkey, guys. There's not much we can do.
This one, yeah?
Yes, this one here.
Oh,
Blocked.
that's crazy. See, was this by the mirror, huh?
I think so.
That's a smart move.
So they're trying to create a water thing.
Right, so when it rains, the water has somewhere to go out of the city. Drainage, that's awesome. Good job.
That is amazing.
Okay, so we've just done a U-bolt because everyone's
Oh, it's one way.
in
I
shock.
think.
Oh, whoa, okay. Doing something crazy and illegal.
What? She said, what? No?
Watch, Ben. There's tuk-tuks everywhere, big truck coming, goats. Driving around here is not for the faint-hearted. It's still not as crazy as Hargeisa though, even though we've got animals and tuk-tuks and it all going on. But we just have to show you this business. If you don't think that Somaliland is progressive, let me show you how progressive they are. Here you go, Crypto Africa.
All together.
You can buy Bitcoin, Yusuf.
So cool.
Oh, salam ya Said. Hello, when I see you. Oh, really?
Oh, woohoo! A subscriber! Come and say hello! Come and say hello! Maga'a.
Molid.
Ah.
How are you guys? All good?
Yeah, we're
Alhamdulillah.
great.
I'm one of your. I follow YouTube on you.
I'm so
Mashallah.
Thank
excited.
you for showcasing Somaliland.
MashaAllah.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Were you guys featured in the crypto?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
can't believe
yeah.
it. If someone thinks Somaliland's not progressive, there you go.
Yeah.
We basically I'm the founder of it, and
Wow.
I've been using I invested Bitcoin almost 10 years ago, 2014.
Wow.
And we do, right now we educate people about cryptocurrencies, and we also exchange it.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
Wow. That is
Mashallah.
very impressive.
You've blown my mind. I'm
Wow.
inspired.
Wow.
Thank you.
What's your name again?
Molid.
Maulid.
Wonderful.
Wow, that's very impressive.
Pleasure to meet you.
Your tour.
Yeah, we will. Thank you.
I'm aware that you came recently.
Yes.
You went to Borama, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sure
You
did.
came up the YouTube feed all over.
Good. Tell everyone. Subscribe. Yeah, well, thank
Ayo
you.
Maulid, aad baan kuu salaamayna. Adeer waxaan ku weydiiyey business suuq u socda hadda.
Business about crypto. And I don't only do exchange in Somaliland.
Yeah.
لكن مقدشة العقل اللي صوت قروي هركيسة
Everywhere.
هذا حقوق مو هنا تطبيق إنك يفرنيها.
هيا.
لكن
It's starting.
مالك يوحل بدل هذا واحد بحياة. لما تقول ما
هيا.
كريبتو عمل إيه صار عمل كذا.
laba boqol oo crypto. Wow.
200k.
Wow.
Not 300.
Okay.
But Korea.
هيا.
Korea.
صح.
But
marka bilowdeen imsa ku bilowdeen.
Oh my
hadda sanad un baan wadaa
haye
waxaan islahaa horta weligeyga waan jeclaa
haye
xoog baan u jeclaa
haye.
ilaa 2016
Do you want to interview him? He's very inspiring.
Oh, good. Okay.
by the way, we can go to our office if you don't mind.
Wow.
I don't know.
I think.
The office is not here,
Okay.
but it's down Rice at Rice Hotel.
Do you want to, this is inspiring story. I think you should.
I think we should capture it on the fly because we need to
Okay.
go.
Are you guys around today?
No,
we're just
we're
heading
driving
back,
back.
Oh, okay.
And I'm scared of the big trucks. I'm scared of nighttime and big
Yeah.
trucks, right?
Oh, yeah. Go before the sunset.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, guys. Anyway, we can keep in touch.
Yeah.
I'm
Well,
super excited to meet you.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
indeed,
that's
indeed.
awesome.
Thank you. And you're local in Borama, yes?
Yeah, right now I used to stay in Hargeisa, but
Yes.
right now I'm here.
This is a much better place, no?
Yeah. I own these small businesses
Yes.
and a lot of them, and I do imports, you know.
Okay.
And I do part-time job for crypto exchange.
Wow.
This
This
is
is.
my passionate.
Yeah, I know.
We're trying to conquer entire Africa, you know.
Wow. Amazing.
So in case you actually, when you guys go back, in case you send families a remittance,
Yes.
you can use crypto.
Really?
How much do they charge you sending $100 from
I know they do, but 3% or something.
3%?
Yeah,
That's minus $3.
something like that. Yes.
I can basically charge you less than that.
Right.
I
Okay.
can charge you $2. Fine.
Right. Okay.
2%.
Right.
Yeah, for the deposit we charge like anything between 1.5 to 2%.
Yeah.
For withdrawals we charge 1%.
Okay.
Yeah, because
Wow.
it's hard to buy, USDT stable coins
Yes.
anywhere.
Yes.
It's hard to send money from here to
Yeah.
anywhere.
Wow. I need to know you, Molit.
Okay.
Very inspiring.
Yeah.
Would you be okay? Would you be okay? Hadday kugu Samirah channelka hadday kugu.
That's I'm completely.
You're fine with
Yeah,
that?
awesome.
Yeah.
So you'll need to reach out, send me a message on there so we can, keep in contact.
All right.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
amazing.
Sounds great.
That's
Okay.
amazing. Oh, yeah.
Masalama. Here we go. Here's my place.
Yeah.
Just how crazy is that they have a bro? Like most people in the West, that guy is fucking crazy guy.
Okay. So we're trying to head on home before the sun goes down. Because it's a pretty crazy drive home.
This is. There's a lot of people who are well educated in this city.
Please, I can't do it.
Across entire Somalia, including Somaliland, this city produces the most educated people.
Look at that green mountain. Is that a fact, or is there going to be a whole lot of people on the channel having a cry about that stadium?
Yeah, but who told you that?
No, it's true.
Is it true?
Are you trying
All Somalis know that. This city is a city of knowledge.
I'm gonna try some of my slushy.
this?
Just trying to get the mountain.
Those mountains are beautiful. Really shake it.
Yeah, totally agree.
So we have truly had the best day. It has been awesome. Everyone
me,
has
it was
been
the best
so
day.
exciting, and
That is true.
we have loved it. So we need to come back here because there is so many fascinating, interesting, amazing stories that we need to show you. So thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next trip. Bye.